In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add power-ups in Trello, step by step. If you're brand new to Trello or just want to fine-tune your workflow, this will help you unlock features that make your board smarter and your day smoother. Power-ups are Trello's way of integrating extra tools and automations right into your boards. Think calendars, reporting, time tracking, and connections to your favorite apps. Start by opening the Trello board where you want to work. Once your board is up, look toward the top right of your screen for the Power-Ups icon. It looks like a small rocket ship. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're viewing an individual board rather than your workspace home. On the web and desktop, it's usually in the board toolbar. On mobile, you may need to tap the board menu first. When you spot the rocket, click it to continue. Next, choose Add Power-Ups. This opens the Power-Ups directory, which is basically the App Store for Trello. Here you can explore categories, skim descriptions, and quickly spot which tools are free, have trials, or require paid plans. A quick tip: scan the overview and reviews so you understand what the Power-Up does, how it appears on your board, and whether it fits your needs and plan limits. Keeping your board lean with only the essentials will help performance and reduce visual clutter. Now, use the search bar to find the specific tool you want. Type the name or a keyword, then select the option that best matches what you're after. Click the Add button next to it. Depending on the power-up, the button might read Add or Enable, but the idea is the same. You're turning it on for that board. After a brief moment, Trello will confirm it's been added. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts to link your account or grant the necessary permissions. Some power-ups connect to external services, so you may be asked to sign in, authorize access, or choose which data the tool can see. Take a moment to read what's being requested, and only approve what makes sense for your workflow and organization's policies. If you're part of a managed workspace, you might also see a note that an admin needs to approve the power-up before you can use it. That's it. You've added a power-up to your Trello board, and you're ready to put it to work. You'll usually notice a new button in the board header, options within cards, or additional views that reflect the features you just enabled. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.